Hey, greetings everyone. Paul here with you once again, and today I wanted to talk to you about something that I always bring up to people that I'm talking with when I'm talking to them about our gold and silver program. And it's one of the things that the company instigated over a year ago, and it's called StacknSell. And quite the reason why this is important, there are several reasons. One, there really wasn't anywhere where coin collectors could go with their coins or their graded coins to sell outside of the traditional dealers, eBay, online sources, etc. And not always were you ever going to see real market value for yourself. Obviously, you go to a dealer wants to make their own profit. They're not going to give you actual market value, are they? So 7K Metal saw this as a real issue and decided to solve it. And it took years to pull this together. But they did, and came up with a surprising result with what we now call StacknSell. And I want to just show you this. And what's also surprising about this is that this is a market that I was totally unaware of. I got realigned with this company about a year and a half ago. Okay. And I did so because I saw all the advances this company has done. Now will be their 6th year. And all the innovations that they have put forth for the members is truly amazing. StacknSell is just one of them. But here's why it's important. They've created their own micro market that has been incredible. Now, mind you, most of my collection, which I'm going to show you, has only been around, I'd say my average coinage or tokens in this collection has been there for about 8 months. Okay, less than a year. But I'm going to show you some of the results. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in here with my existing account, and what it comes to is my stack. Now, what StacknSell does is it allows you to scan in your graded coins, and what you see up here at the top here are gold notes. Now, they are all graded. These are all MS70 or PF70s coins, meaning they are mint state or proof coins. In perfect condition, encased. So you'll see a number here, and and as as we scroll through here, you'll see some interesting things, some numbers here. The price I paid for it, the current market value, and the current equity in these coins. Now, because somebody actually paid, for instance, this California grizzly bear, one of the U.S. state animal series that 7K puts out. And it has a $37 equity right now. And I've held that, about 8 months, 9 months maybe, that I got the California bear. In fact, I got 2 of them. So, but I have several in here. So, and some series, Abraham Lincoln's just come out. We had Ben Franklin. I've got that entire series. But why I wanted to show you this is, and I'll give you a kind of a glimpse here of how this works. I'm going to go to my dashboard, and you'll see I have 45 coins or notes in here. And and here I have, you'll see the cost that I paid, an average of $166 a coin. Current market value is $96.63, and that is up 29% from what I paid. And this is actual market value. This is actually what someone paid for the coins that I have in my possession, and where that equity at least potential equity is. Yes, it's unrealized, of course, just like in the stock market. Unless you sell something, you don't realize any gains. But that is a potential gain for me. So I wanted to show you that. And then also, should I want to, let's go here. Should I want to list it, we can go to the marketplace, and I can give you an example here. We should have some pop up. Here we go. Yeah, internet's a little slow. So all these, are in the marketplace and available for sale. So you'll see any number of coins here, and some here with instant equity. You'll see based on its current market value, etc. There's some remarkable coins. The 7K Metals did a series, Roman Empire series, and happened to have a Caesar coin. I think it'll pop it up. There's one. It's actually available, and its market value is $1,000, and I paid time of release. This was March of last year, so I've owned this just over a year. This coin. This is one of the first ones I bought, and $1,000 market value, paid $349 for it. So kind of give you an idea of the importance of what Stack and Sell is all about. And again, I want to tell you that what this represents is a market that was totally unknown to me and to most people. And one of the beautiful things about 7K Metals is that we offer these coins, majority of these coins that you see here, really at the very extremely low price to members. And that's, just another benefit of membership. Along with that, there's an incredible education process that you can engage yourself with 7K Metals. That's another member benefit, is learning what makes particular coins more valuable. And it's quite a process. So if you'd like to learn more, by all means, let me know. I'm happy to send you some information, even send you a short video on the difference between bullion and collectibles. It's a very interesting short video. You'd find it intriguing. So with that, that's my news of the day, and we'll talk again soon. Stay tuned to my page here, and also wherever you can pick me up. Check out my homepage at goofproofplan.com. That's goofproofplan.com. And I've got a lot of assets there, tools, strategies, resources for anyone that wants to get and promote an online business. All right, take care.